Welcome to the AIR Accountable Independent Reading Center. The first thing you need to do in this center is read your decodable to yourself twice. Try to read in your mind without saying the words out loud. Put your finger under each word as you read. When you have finished the decodable, pick your favorite story. Most decodables have 2 stories. Use your favorite story to fill out this reading response sheet. The first thing you need to do on the sheet is write your name. After you write your name, you will need to fill in the text title. I'm going to use the story Summer Sun Rising as an example. So I'm going to write Summer Sun Rising. That's my text title. The next thing we need to do is draw a sketch and label the main characters. Remember, characters are who the story is about. In Summer Sun Rising, we have the boy. So I'm going to draw a quick sketch of the boy, and I don't believe we know his name, so I'm going to label him Boy. I know that his dad is also in the story, so I'm doing a quick sketch of his dad, and I'm labeling Dad, and his mom is also in the story. I'm going to label her Mom. Notice how I'm putting a label with every sketch. Now I need to talk about the beginning, middle, and end of the story. I'm going to put a quick sketch and label in each box. In the beginning of Summer Sun Rising, the boy was waking up. So I'm going to draw a bed and the boy sitting up on his bed. I'm going to write the words, wake up, as my label. In the middle of Summer Sun Rising, he was working with his dad on the farm. So I'm going to draw a quick sketch of the boy and his dad on the farm. I'll draw some grass to show. My word is going to be working. You can write more than one word if you want to. At the end of my story, the boy was in bed. So I'm going to draw a sketch of the boy laying in bed, and I'm going to label bed. If you finish the whole reading response sheet before the center is over, flip the sheet over and do the same thing for the other story in your decodable. If you have done both stories and you still have extra time, you can go on Lexia.